Mobile Vehicle Mechanics Fast, same-day service will get you back on the road today. Here's how our service works. Call 404-618-0223 or visit www.mvmatlanta.com to speak with one of our highly experienced dispatchers who is trained to troubleshoot and estimate the cost of your repairs over the phone. They will estimate the type and cost of the repairs needed based on the information provided and dispatch an ASE-certified mobile mechanic to your location same day. You'll receive real-time updates on the mechanic's ETA by text up until he arrives. Once the mechanic arrives, he will diagnose your vehicle's problem and give you a final estimate on the cost of the parts and labor required to complete your repairs. After the mechanic retrieves the parts needed and completes the required repairs, you'll pay your invoice with our cashier over the phone. Once payment is received, you will receive an itemized receipt showing the repairs completed along with information on our industry-leading 2-year 24-month labor and parts warranty. No one else in the industry offers this protection. Professional, worry-free, convenient service that gets you back on the road immediately. Give us a call, we're ready to work.